Hey, let's install an instance of WordPress in your new hosting account using Cpanel. So I'm logged into GreenGeeks and I'm going to click on the Cpanel for the site. And I'm going to find this box that says software on it. And you could do WordPress Manager. Let's look at that one. Yeah. So I have a bunch in here already, but this opens the Softaculous installer. So there's all these different things you can install. And I have a bunch in here already. So I'm going to hit the install. So install a fresh copy of WordPress. And you can see here you can choose your protocol. And this is the important part, the in directory. You need to put your first WordPress install in a folder on your website, not at the root. So if the root means I don't put anything here and it installs. And so when people go to tenaciousgoods.com, it brings that site up right away. There's already a site there, so I don't want to do that because it will override it. So I'm going to put it in a folder called rental. You can change the site name here to beach rental, beach vacation rental. I've already done this. I'm just doing it again for you. Change your admin username to something else, your name or whatever. You can change the admin password, and you need to update the admin email here so that it's your actual email. Password. You don't need to click any of these other things. You do not want multi-site. You do not want to disable cron. You don't need any of these plugins to start. You don't need to install any themes. It's under the advanced options. You don't want to touch any of this stuff. In the future, you might want to change these, but you don't really need to. It'll automatically install this 2022 theme, so that's fine. And you want to email the installation to yourself. And then you hit install, and it will do its little magic, and you will get an email, and you'll get a screen that shows you the where to install, or sorry, where to access your installation. So it will be yourdomain.com or whatever slash whatever word you put in slash WP dash admin, and that will bring you to the WordPress login screen. If you forgot your username or password, you can reset it as long as you set the admin email to be your correct actual email. If you messed up that email and you forgot your username and password, you can go back in to Cpanel and you can hit, I think it's, I use one of my dev sites. Don't want to mess up the live site. And I think you can hit this manage WordPress installation and manage plugins, manage themes, upgrade database, URL, clone, staging, backup, restore. Where is it? It's thinking. That's not what I'm looking for. Hold on. This one, login as admin. So if you forgot, you can go back to Cpanel and you can hit login as admin and it will automatically log you into your site. Ta-da! And then you can go over here to users, all users, and you can update your password. Right, new password right there. And you might have seen when I went in here that I have two. Sometimes I do this, I'll install a user or I'll create a user for my accounts for both of my email addresses just in case one gets hacked or something. So that's how you get in there. If you mess up on that install, it's super easy to just throw it in the trash and do it again. That might be the easier way to handle it. If you haven't built anything and haven't put anything in there and you just messed up when you installed it, just delete it and reinstall it. It's no big deal. It only takes a few minutes. And that's about it. Okay, thanks.